In today's video, I want to talk about an important topic, keeping your kidneys healthy. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and toxins from our blood. When our kidneys are not functioning properly, it can lead to a buildup of waste products in our body and make us feel unwell. That's why it's so important that we take care of our kidneys. One great way to do that is to make sure we are getting adequate amounts of key vitamins and nutrients. Vitamins and minerals play an integral role in supporting kidney health and function. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 3 vitamins that are most beneficial for keeping our kidneys in tip-top shape. I really think this information could help many people support their kidney health in a natural way. Before we dive into those specific vitamins, I want to emphasize why kidney health is so important in the first place. Our kidneys filter about 200 quarts of blood daily. That's a massive amount of blood being filtered every single day by these 2 fist-sized organs in our bodies. Some of the key functions our kidneys perform include removing waste products and toxins from the blood, balancing body fluids, releasing hormones that regulate blood pressure, activating vitamin D for bone health, and regulating electrolyte levels. As you can see, healthy kidneys are absolutely critical for overall health and normal body functioning. When kidney function becomes impaired, waste builds up in the blood. This can cause symptoms like fatigue and weakness, itching, muscle cramps, loss of appetite, swelling in hands and feet, trouble concentrating. More severe kidney damage can lead to dangerous levels of toxins and electrolyte imbalances. It's clear that we need to do all we can to support our kidney health. That's why I wanted to create this video, to give you some practical tips on specific vitamins that have been scientifically shown to benefit our kidneys. Adding these important vitamins can be a simple yet effective way to keep your kidneys functioning at their best. This can improve energy levels, reduce fluid retention, and avoid more serious kidney issues down the road. I'm excited to get into the details on these 3 kidney-friendly vitamins. But first, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way, you won't miss any of my future videos on health, nutrition, and wellness topics. I also encourage you to watch until the end, because I think these vitamin tips could really help enhance your kidney health. All right, let's get into these important vitamins. Vitamin number 1 that is highly beneficial for kidney health is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps the kidneys effectively eliminate waste from the blood. It also prevents the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones develop when certain chemicals become concentrated in the urine and crystallize. Vitamin B6 prevents this by helping break down oxalate, one of the key chemicals involved in kidney stone formation. Several studies have shown that patients with kidney disease tend to be deficient in vitamin B6, and other research indicates that vitamin B6 supplementation can improve kidney function in people with mildly impaired kidney function. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B6 is 1.3 to 1.7 milligrams for adults. Foods high in vitamin B6 include chicken, beef, potatoes, bananas, chickpeas, salmon, and fortified breakfast cereals. If you are concerned about kidney health, aim for the higher end of the recommended B6 intake or consider taking a B-complex supplement. Just be sure not to exceed the tolerable upper limit of 100 milligrams per day. Ensuring adequate vitamin B6 can keep kidneys in good working order by effectively eliminating toxins from the blood and preventing painful kidney stones. The next vitamin that is extremely important for the kidneys is vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels in the blood and supports healthy bone mineralization. Kidneys activate and convert vitamin D into its active form. Studies show that patients with chronic kidney disease tend to be deficient in activated vitamin D. Low vitamin D levels are associated with more rapid decline in kidney function. One analysis found that supplementing with activated vitamin D reduced proteinuria, which is the presence of excess protein in the urine. Proteinuria is a sign of kidney damage. Therefore, optimizing vitamin D levels may help slow the progression of kidney disease. The current recommendation for vitamin D is 600 to 800 international unit per day for adults. However, many health experts recommend at least 1,000 to 2,000 international unit daily for optimal health. Some good food sources of vitamin D include salmon, tuna, eggs, and fortified milk and yogurt. But it can be difficult to get enough vitamin D from the diet alone. Safe sun exposure also boosts vitamin D. Many people may benefit from taking a vitamin D supplement, especially those with chronic kidney disease. Ask your doctor to test your vitamin D levels so you can maintain a sufficient level. Maintaining adequate vitamin D will support kidney function while also promoting bone health and immune function. Prioritize getting enough of this important vitamin. The final vitamin I want to highlight for kidney health is vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that combats inflammation and oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between damaging free radicals and protective antioxidants in the body. Oxidative stress contributes to kidney damage. Studies demonstrate that patients with chronic kidney disease have lower blood levels of vitamin C. Research also shows that vitamin C deficiency is associated with faster progression of kidney disease. Supplementing with vitamin C reduced markers of inflammation and oxidative stress in patients with kidney failure undergoing hemodialysis. These findings indicate vitamin C has protective effects on kidney health by reducing oxidative damage. The recommended daily allowance for vitamin C is 75 to 90 milligrams. Excellent food sources include oranges, red peppers, kale, strawberries, broccoli, and potatoes. Taking a vitamin C supplement can help you meet your needs, especially if you have impaired kidney function. Aim for at least 100 to 200 milligrams daily in divided doses, but talk to your doctor before exceeding 2,000 milligrams per day from all sources. Optimizing vitamin C intake aids the kidneys by counteracting oxidative damage and inflammation. Make sure to get enough of this antioxidant both in your diet and through supplementation. In summary, the top vitamins for kidney health are vitamin B6, vitamin D, and vitamin C. Focus on getting adequate amounts of these nutrients to support your kidneys and prevent disease progression. Next, I'll explain how to easily incorporate these vitamins into your routine. Now that you know which vitamins are most important for the kidneys, let's discuss practical ways to make sure you get enough of these nutrients. Here are some tips for seamlessly incorporating more vitamin B6, D, and C into your everyday diet. For vitamin B6, you can eat more chickpeas, lean meats like chicken and fish, bananas, and potatoes. Choose a breakfast cereal fortified with B6. Consider taking a daily B-complex vitamin supplement. Try adding nutritional yeast to dishes for extra B6. For vitamin D, opt for wild salmon, sardines, eggs, and fortified yogurt and milk. Spend 15 minutes outside each day without sunscreen. Take a daily vitamin D supplement, especially in winter months. Consider an extra supplement if you have kidney disease. For vitamin C, eat more oranges, red peppers, kale, broccoli, strawberries. Drink orange juice, just stay under 8 ounces per day. Take a 500 to 1,000 milligrams vitamin C supplement daily. Consume vitamin C supplements in divided doses for better absorption. Other tips include: ask your doctor to check your levels of B6, D, and C. Purchase a multivitamin that contains B6, D3, and vitamin C. Enjoy a smoothie with yogurt, banana, and strawberries for B6, D, and C. Look for vitamin D and C fortified orange juice. Add chickpeas, sweet potatoes, and red peppers to salads. Drink milk and green tea as sources of vitamin C and B6. Choose sardines and eggs for vitamin D and B6. Pair kale and broccoli with lemon juice for vitamin C. Cook tomatoes in olive oil to absorb more lycopene, an antioxidant. As you can see, getting more of these important vitamins is very doable without making huge changes. Focus on including a variety of vitamin-rich foods in your daily diet. Supplements can also help fill any nutritional gaps. Keeping your vitamin B6, D, and C levels optimized will go a long way towards supporting kidney function and staying healthy. So take steps to ensure you get adequate amounts of these essential nutrients. To wrap up, healthy kidneys are absolutely critical for overall health and vitality. Our kidneys work hard every day to filter waste products and balance fluids and electrolytes. When kidney function becomes compromised, it can lead to fatigue, itching, swelling, and more severe complications. That's why it's so important to take steps to support kidney health. One of the best ways to do this is to ensure we get adequate amounts of key vitamins that have been shown to benefit kidney function. The top 3 vitamins for kidney health are vitamin B6, which helps eliminate toxins and prevent kidney stones, vitamin D, which regulates calcium and supports healthy kidneys, and vitamin C, which protects against oxidative damage and inflammation. Getting enough of these important nutrients can be as simple as eating foods like chicken, bananas, eggs, yogurt, oranges, broccoli, and strawberries. Taking targeted supplements is also beneficial. Work on including sources of vitamins B6, D, and C in your meals and snacks throughout the day. Get your levels tested regularly and supplement if needed. Optimizing your intake of these vitamins can keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly. This protects you from a dangerous buildup of waste products in the bloodstream. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who may benefit from these kidney health tips. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss any of my new videos. I hope you learned something useful about supporting your kidney health through diet and supplementation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.